Hey guys, long time no see. I'm finally back with another video. This is going to be a curly hair routine that so many people have been asking me for on Instagram and Twitter, and I'm finally here to show it to you guys. So if you guys are wondering how I get my big curly hair, then keep on watching. For the first product, I'm just going to be taking the olive oil leave-in conditioner. This is by Regis Designline. I think that's how you pronounce it. If not, then I apologize, but I'm just going to be using that as a leave-in conditioner. So now I'm going to be taking my Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil. This is the Strengthen and Restore leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to be applying this all over my hair as a regular leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to be also combing and brushing through my knots and all that stuff, because us curly hair girls cannot ever have a day where we don't have knots. So for the next two products, I'm going to be taking the Redken curvaceous lotion for curly hair, and the next product that you're about to see is the Regis Designline curl lock lotion. Don't mind the dirtiness, but these products are so amazing and I love them so much, and I have been using them for months and months and months. Now I'm going to be taking the Ecostyler gel. I actually thought this was a gel at first. Maybe it is, but for me it really isn't a gel, but it does help bring out my curls and make them more spiral and just bring it all together. I know that hairspray is really drying, and the reason I'm using it is because when I air dry it and when I take out my blow dryer to help me air dry my hair, it really gives me a better finish than when I don't use it. And I didn't have a diffuser that fit my blow dryer, so you're gonna see me holding it, but most of the time I use it just like this without the diffuser because I never had one. But this works actually just as good, surprisingly. So a lot of people ask me, how do I get my hair so thick and big looking? The answer is just picking your hair all the time. The way I do it is when it's fully dried out on my wash day, I'll pick it out from the front, the back, the sides, even on the second day and the third day, and it really helps me get the big curly hair look that I am looking for. I'm back, guys. As you guys can see, the hair had updated. It's gotten more thicker and more fuller. It's still not to the point where I like it, but I still like how it looks so far. So this is the final look, guys. It's not really the final look, but for this video it's gonna be the final look. Trust me, it gets bigger. So I don't even think that it's fully dried. It feels, let me check. It feels a little wet. It feels a little wet. So just to help speed up the process, I'm gonna be taking the same hairspray from before, and I'm just gonna be spraying this all over my hair and continuing to finish the drying process with my blow dryer. So in this quick little video, I'm just going to be showing you guys how I pick my hair out, and this definitely helps with the big curly hair look that I'm always looking for, and I do this every time I wash my hair. So now we're at the final results of my curly hair routine video, and I'm just going to be showing you guys how my hair looks overall after the drying process and all the products I use. This is how it looks every single time that I do my curly hair routine. As you guys can see, I'm showing you guys the back of it, and I'm going to be standing up so you guys can see the length of my hair, because I know a lot of people ask me so much about my hair. It's crazy. Thank you guys so much for watching my video. I'm sick, so I didn't feel like talking throughout the whole video. That's why I did voice recordings, and yeah, so I hope you guys don't mind that. I just wanted to do a curly hair routine since a lot of people are asking me, and I just wanted to do it myself so you guys can see how I do it and how I get my big curls. I appreciate all the love you guys send me on Instagram. I really do appreciate it. All the products that I use will be listed down below. So yeah, that's all I do for my curly hair routine. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want to see anything else, of course, please comment below. I would highly appreciate it.